Welcome back to Narcissist Unmasked, the channel where we expose the hidden truths of narcissistic behavior and provide the tools you need for healing. In today's video, we're diving deep into the signs of narcissistic abuse and sharing essential recovery tips that will help you reclaim your life. Narcissistic abuse is subtle, insidious, and can leave you questioning your reality. But remember, healing is possible, and you are not alone. Let's start by discussing the key signs of narcissistic abuse. Recognizing narcissistic abuse can be difficult, especially because it often involves manipulation, gaslighting, and emotional control. Here are some common signs to watch out for. You might feel like you're always walking on eggshells, constantly doubting your own reality, or feeling isolated from friends and family. These are all red flags that indicate you might be experiencing narcissistic abuse. It's important to recognize these signs and seek help if needed. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation where the abuser makes you question your memory, perception, or sanity. They might say things like, "You're overreacting," or "That never happened." Over time, this can make you feel like you're losing grip on reality. Narcissists frequently belittle, mock, or criticize their victims to undermine their self-esteem. This could come in the form of subtle insults disguised as jokes or relentless negative feedback on everything you do. Their goal? To make you feel unworthy and dependent on them for validation. At the start of the relationship, the narcissist may shower you with love, affection, and attention, making you feel like the center of their world. But as time passes, this intense affection turns into coldness, criticism, and emotional withdrawal. This constant cycle keeps you emotionally off balance. Narcissists often work to isolate you from friends, family, and anyone who could support you. They do this to maintain control. You may notice that your relationships with others have weakened or disappeared entirely since being with the narcissist. Do you feel like you have to monitor every word and action around them to avoid conflict? That's a clear sign of narcissistic abuse. The unpredictability of their reactions makes you overly cautious, afraid of triggering their anger or passive-aggressive behavior. Now let's talk about recovery. Healing from narcissistic abuse is a journey. It can take time, but with the right steps, you can rebuild your confidence, restore your mental health, and move forward stronger than ever. Here are some essential tips for recovering from narcissistic abuse. The most important first step is to go no contact with the narcissist. This means cutting all ties, no phone calls, texts, social media interactions, or in-person meetings. If you have children with them or can't fully avoid contact, try to limit interactions as much as possible and keep things strictly about logistics. Knowledge is power. The more you understand narcissistic behaviors, the less likely you'll be drawn back into the manipulation. Learn about narcissistic traits, gaslighting, and emotional abuse. This will help you understand that the abuse was never your fault. Narcissists thrive on breaking down your self-worth. Now, it's time to focus on you. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Set small goals and celebrate your achievements. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who see your worth. Narcissistic abuse often leaves emotional scars. Speaking to a therapist, especially one who specializes in trauma or narcissistic abuse, can help you process your experiences, rebuild your mental health, and set boundaries moving forward. Therapy is a safe space to vent and gain professional insights. Re-establish connections with friends and family who may have been pushed away during the relationship. Let them know what you've been through, and don't be afraid to lean on them for support. Healing in a community rather than in isolation can speed up the process. It's easy to blame yourself for staying in an abusive relationship or for not seeing the red flags earlier. But remember, narcissists are skilled manipulators. Be kind to yourself. Understand that healing is not linear and setbacks are a normal part of the journey. Take it one day at a time. Every small step you take towards healing is a victory. You deserve to live a life free from manipulation and emotional abuse. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content on healing and recovery. If you or someone you know is going through narcissistic abuse, know that there is help and hope. Remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and happiness. Healing is possible, and together we can break the cycle of abuse. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.